Okay, we've got the Maiden of Angry Bird version 3 this morning. Now this is version 3 because version 1 was absolutely amazing, just a little bit heavy, and I thought I'd rebuild it into version 2 with the twin stabilizers. But then I had a bit of an incident with the prop breaking mid-flight, which disintegrated the whole plane. So I've come back with version 3, and this one is the best of the lot. It balances up perfectly at exactly 700 grams, and very pleased with the finished product. Running a 1400 kV motor, 9x6 prop. Got my air intake here, exit at the rear. It's come up probably one of my best builds. Completely straight and looks very streamlined. With a light breeze, which will be perfect for launching into. More power this time than I've had before in any of this model. So this should be the fastest one as well. So here we have Angry Bird version 3 maiden flight. 920mm wingspan, 1400 kV motor. The new twin vertical stabilizers. Cooling air intake in there. Exit at the rear. Very streamlined. Very excited. Done all my checks back at the at home. Let's just see if we can get her up about half, 3/4 throttle. Well, that's pretty smooth. Need some down trim actually, and back off the power. Let's bring it around.